Okay, so for this question, no different than grade 10 when we were looking at the x-intercepts, and then I found the middle of the x-intercepts to find the axis of symmetry. Okay, that's what this is asking us to do, with the exception that in the past, what we would have done, we would have had, like, let's say x1, and say it would have been 0 for one x-intercept, and the second x-intercept would have been x2 and 0. What I would have done in order to find that in that particular instance, because the y values match, they're at an equal height in this particular instance right on the x-axis, and so what I was able to do is actually take x1 plus x2 divided by 2. That would be my axis of symmetry. Okay, and we would write that as, because it's going to end up being the middle, we'll call it maybe x1, 2, that was equal to an equation. It is an equation. It's equal to some number, okay, whatever that was. Okay, it was a halfway point between the two of them. That's what we did in grade 10. Then when you came back in grade 11, we took that idea and said, it doesn't have to be 2 points on the x-axis. It could be any 2 points on the graph, as long as that their two y values are the same. In this particular, like 2 points on a parabola, they're going to be symmetric about the axis of symmetry. Okay, and we said in this particular instance, in question 3, it's saying, give me the axis of symmetry such that we're looking at the 2 points, -5, 3, and 3, 3. So all we're going to do, because these two y values match, your x1 in this particular instance is going to be -5, and your x2 is going to be 3. And so what we're going to do is your axis of symmetry, which I'll call, instead of having to write this out every time, I'll call it AOS, is going to equal -5 plus 3 divided by 2, which is going to equal -5 plus 3 is -2 divided by 2 is going to be -1. This is an equation. It is an equation of a vertical line, and so you're going to label it x equals -1. Okay, so that is the equation as it's asked for, the equation of the axis of symmetry. Okay, it is x equals -1.